Hi everyone, this is about to train how to take the classes in Medviz. First we have to go for Mozilla 75 for Medviz. In this two sites are there, esic.medviz which is for second year students and class1.medviz which is for third year students. If I open class1.medviz site, is I can see sign in here. If I give sign in, it will open into I have to sign into my account. Email ID will be zoomcommunitymedicine@gmail.com. It's already saved. So if you click on that Zoom Community Medicine and gmail.com, even the password will upload itself. Then we have to give sign in. This is the URL which is used by students to join this class. If I give start the class, then it will open. Here I would like to join the audio with microphone. I have to give access to the class1.medviz.in to use microphone. I have to allow it here. If I allow, it will go for echo test. Based on the internet connection, it will take time. If the internet connection is slow,
You are now muted. Currently the only person in this conference.
Now, as soon as I get into the class, I will be unmuted because I have saved the options like turn off, mute all the users once they log in. So I have to unmute myself.
You are now unmuted.
Starting the class. Then coming to the screen, at the left side of this screen, we can see users and there is a setting symbol here. If I open that symbol, if I click on that symbol, I can see different options there. Clear all status icons, turn off meeting mute, save users names. Here if I click on save usernames, all those candidates who are logged into this class will be displayed in this, and when I save the users names, all those candidates name will be saved. I have to save it as a file. It will be saved in the downloads file. Then if I want to take class, it can be taken in two ways. Either I have to upload the format, I upload a presentation, or I have to go for screen share. If I want to upload a presentation, I have to go for this plus symbol action, which mean to say action. There if I give a click, I can see an option of start a poll, upload a presentation, share an external video. There I have to click on upload a presentation. Here I have to click on browse for files. Now whichever topic I want to upload, I have to click on that. If for example if I want to upload vaccine practicals, I have to click on it and give a open, click on open. Now for it to upload, we have to click on upload here, otherwise it will not upload it. When I click on upload, it will start converting file from PPT presentation to PDF format. When I am giving a click on upload presentation, it will be uploaded in the PDF format and it will be displayed. It will not be uploaded in the PPT format. If I give a upload presentation, it will take some time. Yeah, now it has started processing from PPT to PDF. Once that process completes, it will automatically open in the screen. Yeah, the process completed of process of converting the file from PPT to PDF has been completed. Now I can see the slide here. Now in this format, when I upload a presentation, what the student can see is this slide, whatever has been uploaded, as well as this chat group, and as well as these users. All the three formats can be visible to the students if I am uploading a presentation. And one more disadvantage is, if I want to change the slides here, I have to use mouse for this. It will not be, oh, okay, it can be done with that also. At the same time, I can't do both, like uploading a presentation and sharing the screen. Either I have to upload a presentation or I have to share the screen. Both cannot be done at once. If I want, now I have uploaded a presentation. If I want to share the screen, I have to close this presentation before that. So what we have to do is, again we have to go to this plus button. I have to click on that. I have to give upload a presentation. There I can see two files here. The current file which is used is vaccine practicals, that I have to delete. If I delete and confirm it, that presentation will go off. Now I can share the screen. When I give a click on share screen, it will ask for permission to access, allow for it. Here I have to click on entire screen and allow it. Now I have to minimize this. I can open a PPT or PDF, anything with this share screen. I will open the PPT of this vaccine practicals now. In this format, the students can see only the slide. They will not be uploaded with the usernames, or they will not be seeing chats. Even we can't see the usernames when we share the screen. Now closing this, going back to Medviz site. If I complete the class now, I can go to these three dots options. I can give end meeting. If I give end meeting, my session will end.